Some people travel here to have barbecue as a mode of tourism. And if you don't come to Kansas City to eat, you come back to Kansas City to eat.
We have a regional identity for being a barbecue mecca. But Slaps has really drawn everybody's attention to what's happening on Central Avenue and the possibilities of Central Avenue.
We are a community that has decided to build from within.
As the world's largest barbecue contest, we always want to promote the sport of barbecue, and I think what Slaps has done is incredible.
The thing that I really like most about them is they are such nice guys.
What really makes them stand out is that they are true to themselves when it comes down to being part of the community, enjoying what they do, and doing it out of passion.
I'm thrilled that they're there. I don't have to go as far to get my favorite barbecue now.
Oh, it's tough to pick a favorite, but if I had to, I would pick the Southern Comfort.
Their burnt ends are some of the absolute best I've ever run across.
Ribs meat sandwich, which is not in the menu.
And then, of course, on the side, fried pickle chips.
I do want to congratulate Mike and Joe for receiving this award. I think they have earned every piece of it.